So my name is Ndamase. Welcome to Tuli Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment, guys. And one thing about mihlali, Ndamase, she believes in daughter more than friendship. She will cut you off if you do her dating. We all know that she was friends with Zoyeka. We thought she was the sister from another mother. Unfortunately, they were not family, they were just sisters. I'm not sure if they're cousin, whatever they. But Umi was used to do Zoyeka, like, this kind of sisterhood. They had that thing, you understand me? Do you get me right? So guys, there's a new page on Instagram that have been giving us Skype after Skype, guys. This is what they wrote on their page, guys. Let's get real quickly. Do you guys remember the friendship between mihlali, Ndamase and Slice? Well, the news reaching us now is that the friendship is over. Thanks to Leroy Sidembe. The business guy found out that Slice was the link between mihlali, Ndamase and Edward Suni, guys. We still remember early last year when the news of mihlali, Ndamase and Leroy broke up by Musakaula. There was a time where he even exposed mihlali, say he was dating Edward Sudi, guys. The guy that was dating Kefiwe and is dating now. I'm not sure the girl that he's currently dating now. There was a time where mihlali, Ndamase took a picture standing in the bathroom, and they were saying that their house belonged to Edward Soon. It is alleged that this is the guy, mihlali, Ndamase's friends, that link the news, guys, and also reveal saying that the source further reveals saying that he was also linked between TK Nkiza and Lebu Pasha. If you were wondering why he's always surrendered by the hottest hand in South Africa, well, you have it now, guys. So we still remember that with those who don't know, Lebu Pasha and TK Ngiza is TK Zinga is ex-husband of Mafiki Zolo Nhlanhla, guys. So this guy has been doing that. I'm just gonna say alleged because we don't know if this is true, but I've never seen mihlali, Ndamase posting slides ever since they have been together with Leroy, guys. So probably this might be true or not, guys. We are not sure. This is just reporting.